Welcome to Modine. We're glad you stopped by, and we hope what you see here today will help you make some good decisions about your future and our future here at Modine. First, let's tell you a little bit about what we do.
Modine produces a variety of heating and cooling solutions for commercial and industrial applications primarily. We supply schools with products to provide clean, safe air to the classroom for a healthy learning environment. We supply to the hospitality industry, restaurants and hotels. We supply to commercial buildings like this one that we're in right now, providing heating and cooling solutions to keep operators and workers comfortable in their environment.
And we're good, so good in fact, we just won a contract to take our work to another level.
So our new line is a chiller product line. And these chillers are primarily used in data center applications. And the heat transfer they provide ensures that we're able to stay connected in the digital world. We can stay connected with our family and friends, that we can use autonomous vehicles to smart factories. So these products are critical to the success of our economy.
The complexity of these systems creates opportunities for you to do a wide variety of work, from electrical to assembly to robotics, machining, and brazing, all in a place that feels like home.
I love this place. I love working with people and working the assembly lines. It's all about working together. They're pretty much like family here.
I love the people I work with. I love the jobs that we're doing. Most people are like, oh, I gotta go to work. I love coming to work, like I really do.
I think people stay at Modine because of this family environment that we have here.
Starting young at Modine also means an opportunity to grow professionally and rise through the ranks.
I started here as a second shift supervisor and worked my way up through the plant and went to the quality position, and then eventually worked my way into the plant superintendent role.
I've done access panels, I've done burner boxes, and I actually applied for a fire tester position, and I'm gonna be starting that soon.
It's endless. You know, you have a chance to do what you want to do. You put the time in and you can do anything in this plant.
And then there's Buena Vista, a small town surrounded by mountains, water, beauty, and good neighbors. A great place to call home.
I really feel like once people come in and they work in this factory and they realize this is a safe, clean environment where they get to work with a bunch of other people who are like-minded toward customer satisfaction, I think it's a very satisfying place to be.
If you're willing to come and work and be part of a dedicated team, it's an awesome place to come and work.